Do you have a Stanley cup? You're going to want to see these cute DIY sublimation acrylic nameplates that you can make yourself, and I'm going to show you how. Okay, we're going to start off by showing you exactly what I'm creating here. These are pydlife sublimation acrylic nameplates, and they have been specifically designed for Stanley's, the Quencher H2.0 tumblers, 40 ounce. And any similar dupe will also work. You'll just have to try out the size that you have. But again, these are for the Quencher H2.0 tumblers and the 40 ounce that have this tag. Okay, so they come in more styles than just these, but this is what I have. I have the maple leaf, the floral, a lacy round, and a mouse. They also come in these long, narrow styles as well that fit directly in the middle of your Stanley, and I'll show you at the end how these all fit. But today I'm going to show you the round one because I'm going to make a couple of these, and I'm going to show you my process. I like to design my designs in Canva. I start off by creating a 3.5 by 5 square, and then I center my designs in the middle of those squares. And once we get ready to sublimate, you'll see that they center perfectly within that shape. I've also made these for myself, these other shapes that I mentioned earlier, and I did it the same way. I did a 3.5 by 5 square. And for this, it was a floral background with my name centered, and so I just made sure that the shape fit within that square. So these acrylic nameplates come with a protective film that you need to remove before you sublimate. So make sure you take it off both sides of the plate. So I have my design printed. I printed it on my sublimation printer, and I have an Epson F170, and I printed it on pydlife sublimation paper. So we're going to need some heat tape. So there is a sublimation side, which is the white side. That is going to be facing down on top of your image. And you'll be able to center your image because the top is clear. So just center it in there. Make sure you have it centered, and then add your tape to hold it down. And you'll just repeat this for all of your designs. I have my heat press heating up. For this, we're going to use 355 degrees for 120 seconds. That sound you hear is just my auto heat press getting ready. Okay, so I have them all taped down, and then now we're going to move over to the heat press. Don't forget the butcher paper to protect your heat pad. And then we're going to place these face down with the back of the paper facing up. And then we're going to cover it with another piece of butcher paper. Okay, our press is at temperature, and we're going to go ahead and press. With the auto heat press, all you have to do is just press it down, and it does the work for you. With this Cricut auto heat press, it'll automatically lift when it's done, and then we can go ahead and take out the design. You just remove them from the paper and then take off all your heat tape. Be careful, they are going to be hot. And it's really that easy. These are super cute little cows, personalized for your Stanley cups, and I'll show you how they fit. So you just get your cup, and then you just put the straw through the hole, and that's it. Super cute. I'll show you the other designs. There's the floral. Here is the lacy one. And here's the mouse. Super cute. And then there's these other thin ones I mentioned earlier. They also come with an adhesive that you could put on the back so that in case you don't want it to move, you can just put it right there. I made a couple for myself. Really cute. And like I said, these circles are my favorite, but they are available in different shapes, and you can customize them any way you'd like with any patterns, words, names, and sayings. I'll link everything below, so if you have any questions, go ahead and drop them below as well. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.